The internet is growing exponentially. When we look at the various segments, the internet is the fastest growing segment. It's growing at 22.7% over the forecast period, and by 2018 is going to be the single largest consumer spend segment in the market. Internet access certainly and internet advertising are both growing very fast, and that's very positive for the South African entertainment and media market, because the link between strong internet growth and entertainment and media growth is very high. You know, they are very strongly correlated. So certainly internet growth and the capacity for further internet growth within the South African market is very positive for the growth that we expect to see from an E&M perspective. From a size perspective, the South African market's around 190 billion rand. That's what it's forecast to be in 2018. Nigeria and Kenya combined are going to be around $12 billion US. So, you know, even combined, they're not at the same size that we're seeing from a South African market. They do have further capacity for growth from an internet and a device penetration perspective. So that means that they've got, you know, further room for growth from an overall entertainment and media perspective. So the similarities, they are both, you know, all three of the countries are quite similar in terms of the growth prospects that they offer. But the maturity of the South African market means that there's certainly increased digital consumption within the South African market compared to Kenya and Nigeria. We're seeing a migration from traditional to mobile consumption, and we're also seeing a migration, certainly on a global level, from the mature markets to the faster growing markets, and South Africa is one of those faster growing markets. So overall, the prospects in the South African market are certainly very positive, and we're seeing some good growth. I think the key to success in the current environment is understanding your consumer. Being able to draw insights as to what the consumer wants, being able to deliver the right content to them at the right time, on the right device, at the right price, remains a cornerstone for success. What we are seeing is that these consumer insights obviously don't come cheap. So the larger companies that have the ability to analyze a lot of the big data analytics, which actually give you insight into how your consumer's behaving, they are the companies that we often see will typically be able to grasp a lot more of the opportunities emerging in the markets. I think there are opportunities for all entertainment and media players, and certainly we are seeing small businesses who've been very successful. But the large businesses certainly, I think, have that ability to gain that additional insight, which I think really allows them to produce that consumer-centric behavior, which really drives profits. The Entertainment and Media Outlook, it's our 5th edition. It once again includes Nigeria and South Africa. One of the exciting additional things that we've got in the Outlook this year is the Connectivity Index, which really looks at the link between entertainment and media spend and the level of connectivity within various sub-Saharan African countries. The Entertainment and Media Outlook covers consumer and advertising spend across 12 segments, ranging from radio to out-of-home to sports. It has 5 years of forecast data from 2009 through till 2013, and 5 years of forecast data from 2014 through till 2018. I think the overall themes are consistent in this year's report to what we've seen in previous years. I think we're seeing a lot of a consolidation of this migration to digital that we've seen emerging in previous years.